So I was out at a bar the other day and I saw this guy walking around with a parrot on his shoulder. I thought it was kinda strange, so I asked him what it was all about. He said, "It's my panic parrot. Whenever I start to feel panicked about something, he tells me to just chill out and take a deep breath." I thought that was pretty cool, so I asked him if I could borrow it. He said sure, but I had to buy him a beer first. So I bought him the beer, and he let me borrow the parrot. I took it home and sure enough, whenever I started to feel anxious about something, the parrot would chirp, "Just relax." I even got my own panic parrot.